Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel with Erika. So today I will be making an instant pizza. So for preparing this instant pizza, we will be needing flour, milk, yogurt, baking powder, baking soda, finely chopped garlic, chili flakes, tomato puree, capsicum, onions, tomato, oregano, olive oil, cheese, butter, salt and pepper, and a little bit of sugar. So let's get started. First, we will be preparing the veggies for the pizza, and we will take the capsicum and cut it into thin juliennes, and then we will take red onion and cut it into chunks, and then we will take a red tomato and cut it in chunks, and I am also removing the seeds from the tomato. So for preparing the dough for the pizza, we are going to mix half cup plus 2 tablespoons of flour, half teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of curd with 1 tablespoon of water along with salt, and then we have to prepare the dough and then rest it for an hour. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button and click on the bell icon to get notified every time I upload any new video. Then we will be preparing the red sauce for the pizza. For that, in a pan I am taking little bit of olive oil, around 1 teaspoon, and into that I am adding finely chopped garlic, and then I am cooking the garlic very well. After that I am adding chili flakes into the garlic. Along with that I am also adding the tomato puree into it, which I have boiled, peeled and made a paste out of it. After that I am also adding tomato ketchup for that extra color. Along with that I am also adding salt and sugar to balance out the taste. Then I am going to cook the sauce till it gets thickens. So to prepare white sauce, we will be adding little bit of butter, and then we will add little bit of flour and make a roux. And after that we will be adding milk little by little so that it doesn't create a lump. And then I'm adding little bit of salt, pepper and crushed garlic for extra flavor. Then I'm going to mix it very well and make sure that there is no lumps. Then I'm going to cook the sauce till it gets thickens. After leaving the dough for an hour, then I'm going to flatten the dough on the flour, and then I'm going to roll it thinly, not too much thin. You can see the thickness over here. It's neither too thick, neither too thin. And make sure cork the dough when you are putting into the pan, otherwise the dough will rise and you won't be having a flat pizza. I'm going to put the flattened dough into the pan, and we are going to cook one side of the dough fully, and from the another side we are going to cook it half. Then we are going to flip it on the side of full cooked dough, and then we are going to add the tomato sauce, the white sauce, the veggies. You can also add some grated cheese. You can also skip the cheese, as we already have a creamy white sauce which is very cheesy in taste. And you can also add some oregano or any herbs of your choice along with chili flakes, and then we are going to cover it with a lid and cook it for 10 minutes till the cheese melts and the dough completely cooks. See that our pizza is ready to serve, and we are going to remove the lid and going to serve it hot on the plate. I'm cutting it and showing you the texture of it. As you can see, it's very soft like a store-bought pizza. Do try this recipe and let me know how it was, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified every time we upload any new video.